You might think paying for a flagship name guarantees the best protection, but there's a massive gap in unit replacement warranties and cabinet design that could make one of these systems a nightmare to maintain in the long run. We're comparing two heavy hitters today, and while one looks slick, the other is built like a fortress to protect your investment from the elements. I'm HVAC Repair Guy, and I'm bringing 17 years of real-world field experience to the table. From my time as a service technician and installer to running my own contracting business, all backed by my background as a Navy nuclear electrical operator. I don't care about the marketing fluff. I care about how these units hold up when they're sitting in the dirt and the humidity. Today, we are putting the Luxaire AL19 up against the Ruud UA16AY. The Luxaire AL19 is a premium tier, two-stage system. It delivers an impressive 19 SEER efficiency by using a two-stage compressor that shifts between high and low speeds based on the load. The Ruud UA16AY, part of the Endeavor line, is also a two-stage powerhouse with a 17 SEER 2 rating. Now, let's talk about the big news in the industry. Johnson Controls, the parent company of Luxaire, York, and Coleman, recently sold its residential and light commercial business to Bosch Home Comfort. This is a massive shift in the manufacturing landscape. Now, on the other side, Ruud is a mainstay of the Paloma Industries family alongside Rheem. When you look at these units on a pad, the first thing a pro notices is the cabinet. The Luxaire AL19 uses slotted panels. They look modern, but they don't offer the best protection against hail or weed whackers. The Ruud UA16AY uses heavy-duty louvered panels in the field. Louvered is king for protecting those fragile condenser fins while still allowing for maximum airflow. Warranty is where the value gap really opens up. Luxaire offers a standard 10-year parts warranty and a lifetime limited compressor warranty if you register it. But Ruud steps up with a 10-year unit replacement guarantee. That means if your compressor fails within the first decade, they don't just send you a part. They give you a whole new outdoor unit. Pricing for the Luxaire AL19 typically ranges from $7,000 to $10,000 installed, while the Ruud UA16AY usually lands between $6,000 and $8,500. So here's the verdict. While the Luxaire AL19 offers slightly higher efficiency at 19 SEER, the Ruud UA16AY is the smarter purchase for most homeowners. Between the superior protection of the louvered panels and that ironclad 10-year unit replacement guarantee, Ruud provides way more real-world value and peace of mind. My winner is the Ruud UA16AY. It's built like a tank, backed by a better replacement policy. And it's going to be easier for your tech to service for years to come. Shop like a pro by using the head-to-head tool on HVAC-for-beginners.com.